Hi everyone, it's Mel from Meet Me in My Scrap Room. I am sharing a Tuesday morning haul video from yesterday, October 26th. I am in the middle of a huge scrap room de-stash. I have been selling my extras on Facebook. As you know from previous haul videos, I have mentioned that I am purchasing way more than I want, need, can afford, etc. So I've decided to try selling the Tuesday morning items that I don't want in one of those groups that I've created. I will provide a link in the description where you can find this album if you're interested. I want to stress a couple of things. First, I am doing this as a favor. I'm not making money on these items. You will pay exactly what it costs me to buy and get these items to you. So you will be responsible for any fees I incur as well as shipping costs to get the item to you. Secondly, I will not do this if it becomes a hassle. With that said, I will continue to do the haul videos as I have in the past. I will read the item number as well as provide the store locator phone number. This will be part 1 of 2 of this video. I have a lot of Christmas here and it's kind of toppled over, so let's get going. This Project Life is called Christmas Wishes. It's 130 pieces. You get 34 by 6 cards, 33 by 4 cards, and 70 chipboard embellishments. The item number on this one is 1984331. Price is $4.99. And there is some silver foiling on some of these cards and embellishments. I'm hoping I'm getting that where you can see it. The price was $4.99. On my last video, I hauled, I believe it was Project Life Deck the Halls Christmas kit, and I paid $5.99 for that one. Alright, so we have an AC Hollyberry die-cut cardstock shapes. This ephemera pack, that's what it comes with. It's got a few tags, wreath, snowflake, that kind of thing, Christmas-related die cuts. There is 25 pieces in it. Item number 2043896, $1.99. We have some American Crafts Christmas bows, 8 to a package. Item number 2043911, $1.99. These Heidi Swap card sets, there are 12 pieces, so 6 envelopes and 6 cards. They're blank inside. This is where the fold is on this side, so they fold long ways. I like this envelope on here. I don't know if I'm going to keep these or not, but the item number is 2048395, $1.99. Another Heidi Swap item, 12 wood veneers. They're all painted in some fashion, either red or gold. Looks like some white as well. Item number 2043899, price $1.99. That's all that you get in there. Some more wood veneers, Christmas themed, 20433, and these are 12 to a package. They're all either red, flat red, or silver glittered. But, you know, you could flip these on the back side and do whatever you wanted on the other side of the veneer. You could stamp them, spray them, whatever you wanted. And so that's about the size of them. So a little over 2 inches tall, and at the widest point, almost at the widest point, 1 3/4 inches it looks like. Can't remember if I read the number, 2043897, $1.99 for 12 of them. Another package of veneers. These are Bo Bunnies. There are 45 pieces in this set. There's 9 different designs. I don't know what's under the tag. I didn't want to open them. Oh, sleds under this one. and maybe a poinsettia under this one. Item number 2023000. So 3 zeros. I don't know if I said that correctly, but the price is $4.99. Bo Bunny wood veneers. Some Imagine Us stickers here. Not sure what line they go, if they go with a line. Item number 2043864, $1.99 for this set here. These are popped up puffy, so you get some dimension there. There's 6 in that one. And this sheet has 4, 5, 6, 7 in this one. Item number 2043863, $1.99. And these have some area to journal. This one doesn't have much, but you could write something there. Crepe paper. These are photo overlays. There's 14 in a package. 2043925, $1.99. This is the second set of Christmas overlays I've hauled. And these are a bit more vintage. See the sepia on the side of them? There you got your old like film strip. They're kind of cool. This is all the different designs you get. And you get different sizes in this one too. There's a before and there's an after. Kind of cool. Real quick, I'll do these. I just found these behind a bunch of stuff on the, behind a yarn that had fallen back there. I never did pick these up when, that's not very good grammar, but I didn't pick these up when they were first there, and when I went back to get them, they were gone. So I found this one. Tim Holtz rub-ons. There's 2 sheets to a pack. And if I remember right, I think they're different sheets from something else I'd gotten of his, but maybe not the same here. They're Halloween themed. Item number 1957982, priced $1.99. I did pick up some of the small honeycomb pads, and the item is 2028435, price $1.49. My store had lots and lots of different colors. There's 2 pad pieces to the package here, and I'm just showing you the gold there. Got a couple of Heidi Swap things, or not Heidi Swap, Maggie Holmes. Item number 2045055, price $1.49. These are like label maker stickers where they're raised, where the letter imprinted, gold. They're cute. This is from, it doesn't say what line. Probably go with any of hers. Maggie Holmes, this is Flourish. Item number 2045044, $1.99. Love these. And there's quite a bit of dimension here and different things going on. Oops, cat fell in her bed off the table. Vicki Boughton, I picked up, oh wait, sorry. I don't have an item number on these because these came 3 to a package, and I don't know if they were supposed to. Let me see if if I do have, here it is. This cat's clawing me now. Item number 2045054. The price was $1.49. I think it came 3 to a package. I don't know. Maybe there were only 2. Not sure if this was meant to be or not. I will not keep both of these. Maggie Holmes, and you've got some of your phrase stickers down here, and just a few other different stickers up there. Doesn't say how many's on here. Nope. Or what line it goes to, but anyways, I'll put at least one of those up. Now to the, oh wait, here, another Christmas crepe paper, snow and cocoa, 5 felt tassels. Item number 1982352, $1.99. Then I picked up a couple Vicki Boughton items. We've had a lot of her stuff in the store lately. The item number is 2037060, $1.99. There are 50 die cuts in this package, and that's what you get. Some of her typical shapes and icons or designs, whatever you want to say, in this package. But they've got flowers, feathers, birds, and the moths and butterflies. Pretty cute, and it was $2, so I thought I'd try a package. I'm going to check my phone here. Good, it's still recording, just to make sure. I don't want to do this for a third time. I think I'd call it quits and go to bed if I had to do it for a third time. These are really neat. These are watercolor stickers. So they come, you know, just in black and white. The thickness of them is nice. But you can, I suppose you could do multiple different things. They show watercoloring, but you could spray them, you could stamp them, whatever you wanted, I suppose. Here's the designs. I love, love, love this one. You got some phrase stickers, more designs, birds, and some more phrases. Here's your flowers and feathers, more tags, some more icons. So there's a bunch in here. 175 is what the packaging says. The item number 2037058, price $2.99. Now I got a couple of her stamp and die sets. First one, 2037079, $6.49. You get 18 pieces in this set. So you get the stamps and then selected dies. The ones that are in pink are the actual dies you get. Now I'm keeping this set. She did have more. She had 3 different sets. I bought 2 of them. I'm going to keep this one, but she had more of these. If you want it, let me know through Facebook, and I will get it for you. This set, 11 pieces in this set, 2037078, $6.49 on the price. This one looks like it has 3 dies. Yep, 3. And that's what you get in this set. And I like these little containers or holders or something to keep it all together. A couple more. Oh, I kind of got my... Yep, there's more Christmas under here. Sorry, guys. When I put it back up, we kind of got all discombobulated here. So we'll go back to Christmas now, and then we'll head to that pile. AC Holiday Bits. These are thickly glittered. Got some pop-up, and then the baker's twine. Item number 2043916, $1.49 for these. Then we have some Merry Days crepe paper stickers. There's 4 sheet in here for a total of 89 stickers. Item number 2043834, price $1.49. These would be great for planners, for scrapbooking, cards. But they've got tags, lots of different tags, repeated tags. Then you got a few phrases here and words, to and from. Another sheet here. Some Santa icons. A lot of good stuff there. $1.99. Then we have some AC Christmas bubble stickers. Love these. Can I open it? Santa, I can explain. For me, I can't wait. You want me to do what? Yummy, my favorite. There's 27 word bubble stickers. Well, actually, there's not 27 because you have some holly here and there. But item number 2043866, 99 cents. Then we got some more American Crafts Remarks holiday stickers. They look like they're chalkboard stickers, just pretty much tags, but come 3 sheets to a set, 3 sheets to a package. I'm probably going to keep one. I'll probably sell the others. Item number 2043854, $1.49. We got a 6x6 paper pad. It is Christmas Merry Mary by Pebbles. Item number 2043822, price $2.99. This is single-sided. There's some cute stuff in here. Again, this is the second Christmas pad I've got that has a lot of craft, this tan craft colored paper in it. I think this is cute. Would look good with cards. Also thinking about using it in my, look, there's some, oh no, that's supposed to, I can't tell if that's supposed to be there. You guys see that? I don't know if that was a flaw in the print or where that came from. But I thought this size would also look good in my pocket pages. All right, back to this pile. Another Maggie Holmes crepe paper. Open book is this one. You've got some gold foiled stickers. There's 36 to a sheet. These are, they give the, there's a little bit of texture, not a whole lot there, but they're still cool. You got some tags. You got some pink circles here and some more phrases. Item number 2045057, and the price is $1.49. You got some Amy Tan, 283 accent and phrase stickers. So this is what you get. You got some letters and numbers down here in the small, I forget what you call these small little letter alpha stickers, but this here says, here we go. It was okay. I like that one sometimes. And these are Amy Tan. Then let's go to thickers. I have some folks I buy thickers for, so. And I also love thickers myself. Have a minor obsession with them. These are Delight. These are foam. There's 256 to a package. You do get lots of numbers, some punctuation. And the item number 2038616, $2.19 is the price. I talked about in my last video how the thickers have gone up in price here recently from $1.99 to $2.16. This is High Five. It is black with like white paint splatters. Item number 2038616. It's chipboard, and you do get letters and punctuations. Another black one, and this one has like writing on it. I'm going to stop part 1 here. Stay tuned for part 2. I'd like to thank you for watching my Tuesday morning haul video.